Here's a demonstration of how to put a 24-foot ground extension ladder into operation. Before beginning, look up and make sure there are no overhead obstructions, and announce clear overhead obstructions prior to raising the ladder. Raise the ladder until able to grab both beams. From there, balance the ladder on one of the spurs and walk the ladder up until being centered in the middle. This particular ladder has a strip of red tape in the middle for reference. Once in the middle of the ladder, keep the fly section facing out, drop down, and dip the ladder onto a shoulder. Announce stand clear, ladder coming through, and proceed toward the target. Upon reaching the target, stick the spurs to your spot and in one smooth motion push up and forward. As you push forward on the beam, allow the ladder to pivot on the spurs towards you. Continue to walk the ladder up and forward without losing your momentum. The bed of the ladder should now be facing you in the flat raised position. Be sure to hook your foot around the bottom of the ladder to prevent it from walking out on you. From here, announce no overhead obstructions preparing to up the fly before pulling on the halyard. Once the ladder is as high as it needs, confirm the locks are locked and announce locks locked, stand clear, lowering ladder to the building. Foot the ladder and lower it into the building. Clear an area behind and then slide the ladder out on the butt. Clear overhead obstructions and rotate the ladder to get the fly side out on the outside. This helps ensure the locks don't inadvertently slip off the ladder if it's dynamically weighted. Check for 4 points of contact and make sure the climbing angle is correct. This picture shows the manufacturer's recommended method for checking the climbing angle. Foot the ladder at the spurs and reach up to shoulder height. A rung should be easily grabbed from this position. To remove the ladder from the building, clear obstructions above and behind and rotate the ladder before sliding it in on the butt. From here, clear overhead obstructions, foot the ladder, and pull the ladder away from the building. Once the ladder is away from the building and in a vertical position, begin to down the fly. Pull up slightly on the halyard to unlock the locks, and then down the fly section in a hand-over-hand motion with the halyard. Once the fly section is down, confirm the locks are locked again. From here, clear an area behind and walk the ladder back down. Once in the middle of the ladder, perform a high shoulder carry, and then secure the ladder. If it's necessary to move the ladder a short distance, the forward carry can be used. To use this method, start by grasping a rung at waist level with one hand and grasping another rung overhead with the other. The hand that's overhead should stay straight and will bear the majority of the weight of the ladder. The one that's at waist level should remain bent and is used to aim the spurs at the target. Tilt the ladder back towards you, drop down and pick up the ladder. As with all ladder carries, it's important to lift with your legs, not with your back. Move the ladder into position, set the bottom down, and up the fly as needed.